Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how you can make audio sound distant and muffled. Alright guys, for today's tutorial, I'm going to use the InShot application. So first of all, make sure that you have installed the InShot application on your phone. And after you have the InShot application installed, you can click on the video option right here. Then you're going to click on new to start creating new project. But right here, I'm just going to open my existing project or my existing draft. So here is the draft that I have just created, and I'm going to open it. Okay, and to make the audio sound distant and muffled, we're going to use the voice effect. So we can scroll all the way to the right like this to find the voice effect, this one. Tap on the voice effect, and I'm going to show you the original audio first. This is the original audio. Okay, and to make the audio sound distant and muffled, we can use this effect, this phone effect. So we can just tap on this effect, and this is the result. Okay, and now the audio has been sounded muffled and distant, and I'm going to play the video to show you the final result. Okay, and alright guys, that's how we can make audio sound distant and muffled using InShot application. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.